you guys? It's Emily with Hello Beauty. If you have never been to my channel before, well, welcome to my channel. If you have, welcome back. I want to do a product review video with the ULTA haul. Still continuing because I bought quite a lot of products, so it's going to be a couple more videos until I'm actually done with the haul. But today I'm going to be doing the Revolution highlighters, the Ardell 120 Naturals, and the E.L.F liquid glitter eyeshadow 24K gold. I'm gonna do a New Year's Eve inspired look for you guys because I know that you guys want kind of an idea of what to do when you go out and you want to look cute and pizzazzy for New Year's, so you need my help to know what kind of makeup to do. Well, I'm here to tell you and I'm here to show you. So let's get straight into the video and enough of me chit-chatting.
Cause you know I'm drowning in my own sea. Baby, don't you see me? Need you here to save me. It's not easy, know that someone hurt me, baby, but you're right, and all is in my heart. Oh, is in the past, all in the past. Nothing but a healing, baby, when you're right. Just give me time, I make it smile. Hurt it when you leave me, now you're here to save me. Baby, 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 you're nice. Tell me if you wanna let me like I. Baby, 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 guess what? I wanna you save me, I wanna you save me. Baby, 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 you're nice. Tell me if you wanna let me like I. Baby, 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 guess what? I wanna you save me, I wanna you save me.
So let's see how this goes on. Just keep in mind, I'm patting it on so that we don't mess up the concealer. I'm just gonna pat this on. So far, I really like it. It's very pretty and it doesn't take a lot to get the right coverage that you need. It looks really nice so far.
Oh baby, I wanna save you high. Cause you know I'm drowning in my own sea. Baby, don't you see me? Need you here to save me.
I really like this so far. Hopefully it dries nice and won't crease in the middle. I'm gonna kind of go over the crease and blend it out a little bit, but so far I'm pretty impressed.
It's not easy, know that someone hurt me, baby, but you're right, and all is in my heart. Oh, is in the past, all in the past. Nothing but a healing, baby, when you're right. Just give me time, I make it smile. Hurt it when you leave me, now you're here to save me. It's in the past, all in the past. Just give me time, I make it smile. It's in the past, all in the past. Just give me time, I make it smile. Baby, 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 you're nice. Tell me if you wanna let me like I. Baby, 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 guess what? I wanna you save me, I wanna you save me. Baby, 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 you're nice. Tell me if you wanna let me like I. Baby, 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 guess what? I wanna you save me, I wanna you save me. Oh baby, I wanna save you high.
Shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. I don't wanna stop right now. All I need is a drum with a heavy beat. Hit me with that future sound. It's time to let go. We're not going home. This feeling I can't live without. So shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. This is our party, and this is where the beat goes down. Feel the music on the stereo. As we let the rhythm take control, we're gonna dance like we don't care. Keep on popping bottles like we're millionaires. Yeah, we're just getting started, living for the weekend. Shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. I don't wanna stop right now. All I need.
Hey, we're gonna try these highlighters. I'm so excited. We're gonna go with this one right here. Oh yeah. Yes, baby, yes. Oh, it's frosty. It's exactly what we like, is a little bit of frost. Is that right, ladies? We like that frost. Okay, yes, yes. If you feel like it's a little bit too much highlight, you can obviously blend it out with your bronzer brush just to make it a little bit more subtle. Again. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm living for it. Absolutely living for it.
Let's make this night unforgettable. Making memories we won't recall. One more song is never enough. We ain't gonna stop when the sun comes up. Put the night on replay, cause we never wanna lose this rush. Oh no. Shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. I don't wanna stop right now. All I need is a drum with a heavy beat. Hit me with that future sound. It's time to let go. We're not going home. This feeling I can't live without. So shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody.
All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And my pom-pom earrings, they are from Etsy. This look is obviously pretty glamorous for New Year's Eve. I would have honestly put more of a dramatic lash on, but for the sake of this product review video, I wanted to review these Ardell lashes, which I really like them. They have a very thin band. The only thing is with the E.L.F glitter eyeshadow, I really like it, but it does seem to kind of go into the crease a bit. And then also you probably want like a base color underneath just in case throughout the night it doesn't start to come off. The highlighters, the Revolution highlighters, I mean, just look at that shine. So beautiful. I ain't even gonna tell you anything about that. Like, I'm just super impressed and I can't wait to try out the other colors. If you like this video, please don't forget on your way out to subscribe. And also turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a ding, 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 ding. Emily posted, yeah. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Please check out my first Ulta haul if you haven't seen it yet. This Ulta haul is a continued Ulta haul / review. I got quite a few products, so the last of the products I'll be reviewing are eyeliners and more glitter shadows. So it'll be in a couple more videos that I do. But other than that, stay safe and stay beautiful, my friends.